Welcome back, guys. This is your boy Fat Furious. I just finished working on my car, and I was going to tell y'all that I went to a car meet in Douglasville, my first car meet. You know, I got there kind of late, so it's kind of dark, but I got some awesome cars to show y'all, and please enjoy the video. Thanks, bro.
The crazy thing is, I couldn't tell what the fucking muffler was. You know, I thought it would be straight back, but obviously it's right here.
Oh yeah, you got them out right. You might as well put it all off. Yeah, we're probably about to put glass packs and dump it, but I don't know. It's gonna be a lot of shit. Hey,
like this car.
It's an '88 Chevrolet R30. Basically C3500. It's just the old body style. In '88 they went to a different, or mid '80s they went to a different body style. So in the R series and the B series they kept square body. They made the R trucks and B trucks. The R trucks were 2-wheel drives, the B trucks were 4-wheel drives.
Oh, that's nice.
It's got a 4x4 big block in it. 40 series Flowmaster. Just stock motor.
Oh, man. And this is a K20 Z3. I'm guessing this 07 SI. I know, right? Because I have an R6 Type S over there. 08? Yeah. Shit. I want to get this, but like it's too, like the whole fucking engine compartment is too small for me. Like, I can't do shit.
When I changed the spark plugs, I had to take the white off and the thing on the
yeah, it's fucking retarded. I'm not buying this. I'm not buying no. I'll buy the RBC manifold or I'll buy the motor, but I'm not buying the fucking motor.
This stock, it just got the intake, it's got the Mishimoto, the low temp thermostat.
Yeah.
It's got an in-factory limited slip and an Excetti stage 1 clutch. It's got the, It's got the hybrid racing CMC and a full hybrid racing shifter cables, bushings, and shifter.
What AC?
Oh, that's nice.
Got skunk to suspension, full skunk to suspension. And stop check
Loaded.
It's just a little engine intake. It's just a job though.
Yeah. It's come to us a nice. 08. Let me see the back.
Yeah.
Hey. There you go. Nice. All right, brother. Appreciate it, bro. All right.
Yeah,
that's mine over there.
Little by little. Which one? The burgundy one?
Yeah.
That's pretty. I like that one.
That's mine.
Yeah.
Wow. What's up, man? Anything good? What's the? Oh yeah, I need some. I'm hungry as a motherfucker. All right, so let's go. Oh, the heck good. That's not mine. That's my boys. That's mine right there.
Nice. I wonder what happened to the spoilers.
What? I don't know.
RSX?
Type S.
Yep.
Coilovers, you know. RSX Type S with coilovers. Like that.
Yeah.
Sounds is really deep.
Oh, dude, neon. Pink.
Well, I'm trying to go over there and see what they.
I know. I want to see this. I see you got that GoPro.
Yes, always. I thought mine was clean. Oh.
This one's standing on the hill.
Huh?
I wrecked this one a couple of weeks ago.
You wrecked it? Is yours?
Yeah.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
It got nothing done to it?
Not anymore.
Is this, well, what was done to it?
Boosted.
But then...
I went through 3 engines. I sold the turbo, put a low mile motor in it.
So, is it a K20Z1 or what is it?
A3. Bone stock
Base model motor on this?
Yep.
Dude,
05 base.
so
So you do the work on cars like this or something like that?
I built that one. I'm building.
Cause I need some work. Out to you real cool. Yeah, Fat and Furious. This is my YouTube channel. Fat and Furious. I got about 150 subscribers. They're growing. So wow, this pretty.
We can find him.
Huh?
Told him to look you up so we can find him.
Yeah. Actually.
So that's my car.
Yeah.
Because
Did
he
he?
couldn't afford K-Pro to tune it.
It's 800. What? I was like, so if you could
No,
buy.
for a 2005, it's like 900 to 40. Well, it's like $900 for the computer itself, and then to get it tuned all together, it's like
Let's say-
$1,400.
Whoa, from where? Like, where was he going?
EV Tech, like the best tuner around.
EV Tech was $1,400, and that was for how many?
But that's for an 05. And
Oh, because I have an O2, but like, how many
Yeah, so it's a lot
hours
cheaper
was?
for O2.
But like, how many hours were you getting your car tuned for? Because I heard you went to EV Tech. Well,
I never tuned it.
that's why I blew.
And I ran no O2 sensors. I just finally put a fucking O2 sensor in it.
Are you serious? Why would you do that? You just wasted the 2 motors that you had.
I have no money in them. I ain't even bothered to clean out from under the hood.
Well, like,
The valve cover's been nasty as hell.
might I get your number so because I might need some work done.
Still got cats on it, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you still got the cats on it.
Yeah. Huh?
You just had the gift card.
Yeah. I just got it and I just put on this. I did like the side skirts, the front lip, everything, and then the aftermarket. And I was like,
The front lip will bust easy.
yep. And then
I busted twice.
I have what?
That's the exact same
Like this shit right here. Like where's this shit at? It's right here.
cracked.
Yeah.
It'll bust all pieces. Mine already has.
So
Then I sent it to the body shop and got it fixed, and it busted again this morning.
no.
I got screws holding the center of my lip together.
Just took zip ties and said,
I'm thinking about it.
That's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, like I need. Wow. What is that?
Yours don't have the hole for it.
Huh?
Mine's got the factory hole for the damn city lights.
Wow. That's what I need. Like
Red glow.
yeah.
Mine's got the factory hole for it.
That's what I need. I need some like blue, like I don't know if I need some like all blue, like neon, like that.
Yeah.
Is it illegal to like drive with those on? Like the blue ones?
Flashing, yes. Baby, come here.
So flashing, yes, but with the blue one, no.
With the what?
Blue flashing?
Yeah.
You'll be sitting right behind them blue flashing lights.
Yeah.
So what can you like?
Solid.
You can run a
with
solid.
Like
Can't have a flashing.
It can't be blue or red.
so it can be.
It can be any other color, but it cannot be blue
Blue or
or red.
Wow. He got the JDM lugs on.
No, look at the back though. Look at the exhaust tip.
Oh, what the
yeah.
fuck?
I know, right?
Dude, no way.
Hi.
Like
How's it
dead
going?
serious. Do a tow for me.
No, you
I'll
like
in the
it.
shop.
No, you do.
See if I
Wow.
can.
Look. Holy shit. Heart mufflers.
You like
Everybody's
that?
screaming.
Holy
Finally went
fuck.
multicolored.
Oh, automatic.
Yes. That's Skippy's.
I'm sitting there looking around.
Trade his push patch for that one.
Yeah, you gotta appreciate it.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
Thank you. Wait till you hear it.
Is this like stick shift?
Nope, it's automatic. My feet don't do this.
Why not? It's so easy.
No.
My feet don't even do it. I'm not coordinated.
It's
You'll hear it before we leave though.
that's pretty nice. Make sure I get it on camera.
Oh, I will. Trust me. Tag me.
Wait, actually you're oh yeah, I gotta hit it. Wow.
Right?
No fucking way. I bet your ass be bleeding. That's crazy. Who truck is this? Yours? What is this truck? Like, what is it?
Silverado.
That's pretty nice paint. Do you do this all yourself or? You have a shop or like a card?
Just doing it all
So you just sit in your driveway with like mad paint and just paint everything. With this is my Audi. That's it. It's just freaking insane, dude. How low is this? Whoa, you got whoa. So you got air suspensions or how much that cost? Is this turbo? Then why is this gas tank? Oh, it's a gas tank. Oh, wow. I thought it was a you know how they have like the instead of a intercooler, they have like the water. Yeah, that's ridiculous.
Yeah.
Don't your battery die since it's like all the way back here? Because I'm a friend who did the same thing, and like his freaking battery took a shit on him. Like,
A bigger wire. Raw power.
I might.